Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with this gorgeous, super stunning pink with silver cut crease eye look using Morphe x Jeffree palette. I was inspired to create this look after seeing a post by Jessica Rose Makeup on Instagram. I loved this look in the first glance and wanted to try it on myself. While doing my makeup, I'll also be sharing my thoughts and views on this palette, so make sure you watch the video till end. So if you are ready, let's get started. First, I'll be using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade 22B Light as a base of my eyeshadow. Just taking little amount of concealer on both of my eyelids and blending it well using Tarte Beauty Sponge. To create my eye look, first I'll be taking this beautiful shade named Mogul, which is Mid Deep Magenta color. First, I am packing the shade on my crease line using pencil brush and blending it out very softly using blending brush. Now I'll be using the shade Calabasas, which is Matte Merlot color, to get that deep intense effect on my crease line. Now I'll apply the color just below the shade I applied before and blend it out using very soft hand. Now I'm going to cut my crease using a flat eyeshadow brush and same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The way I'm cutting my crease is by dragging a line with the concealer from inner to outer corner and filling the concealer inside the line. Here I'm using very light hand to cut my crease. Now I'm going to fill the shade Self-Made inside the cut creased area. This is really gorgeous matte hot pink color. Now the last shade I'm using is Custom Rims, which is one of my favorite color in this palette. It is really pretty shimmery polished silver color. I'm going to use it on top of the crease line as a thin liner and also above the eyeliner, which I'm going to apply on my top lash line, mixing with NYX glitter glue. This bright fully wild Morphe x Jeffree Star palette is a bomb. The packaging is so good and different from the rest of Morphe's palette. Each eyeshadow is richly pigmented, which blends seamlessly. The color in this palette works for both fair and dark skin, as I had already tried it on different skin tones and types. This palette is so good that I recommend it to everyone, and personally I give it 5 out of 5 stars. Now I'm quickly going to complete my base makeup. Now I'm going to apply same shade Self-Made and Calabasas on my lower lash line and a nude color Kohl pencil in my waterline. I'll also apply falsies and a coat of mascara on both upper and lower lashes. So this is my completed eye look. Instead of bronzer, today I'm going to use this Too Faced Cocoa Contour Powder to set my contour. For blush, I'm going to use Too Faced Sparkling Bellini. To highlight my face, I'm using this Alchemist Holographic Palette from Kat Von D. For my lips today, I'm going to use Eyelook Lip Pencil in shade Paris Pink and Kat Von D Liquid Lipstick in shade Vivid Hot Pink. So this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and yes, please do subscribe my channel if you are new here. See you soon with brand new video. Till then, stay strong, stay safe. Bye.